What's up guys, Josh here, and in this video I'm out in the Berry Bay community in Wimauma, Florida, and I'm going to take you on a tour of a brand new construction home that has just been reduced like $59,000. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. All right, so like I said, I'm out in Wimauma, and I'm actually meeting clients to look at this next gen home. And while I was out here, Lennar has a 3-car garage home that is completed and ready to go. So I figured I would film it while I was out here. So let's go. All right, this is the Santa Fe model by Lennar. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, 2,576 square feet. It's been listed as high as $487,810. It is currently listed for sale $58,910 less at $428,900. Being new construction, there's no tax bill yet, but the CDD is $3,503 a year out here, and the HOA fee is $7.50 per month. So let's go inside. Take a look at this one. It's ready to go. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So you come up, get your covered front porch here, covered area here. All right, let's go inside. Take a look. You got this nice wide open area here. And to the right from the front door, you're gonna have bedroom number 1. And everything you see is included. So ceiling fan, blinds, all those are going to be included. And then bathroom number 1 here, you got the white cabinets, the quartz countertops, your toilet over here, and then your tile, white subway tile around your tub and shower combo. And then behind the door is going to be your linen closet. And then bedroom number 2. Nice sized bedrooms. I know I didn't show you the closets on the first bedroom, but they're just standard basic closets. Nothing crazy. All right, continuing on down the main hallway. To the left, right over here, is going to be your 3-car garage. So a nice size 3-car garage. Obviously they're doing some final touches here. So it doesn't come with an extra door or a shower floor pan. All right, in, out of the garage, go to the left. It's gonna be your laundry room. You do get the washer and dryer included. You got your cabinets above. That's a nice little touch. And then behind the door is gonna be your air handler. And then over here is going to be bedroom number 3, and it's got his ensuite and a walk-in closet. Obviously ceiling fan and blinds included. Then you have the same color quartz countertops, the white cabinets, same tile in your shower. I would get rid of the shower curtain rod, put in a glass door. Let me know, do you like the shower rod, or would you just add in your own glass door to that type of shower? All right, so continuing on, coming to the kitchen here. Nice open kitchen, as you'll see in a minute. You got your stainless steel refrigerators included, which is nice because a lot of new construction doesn't include refrigerators. Quartz countertops, white cabinets, nice big walk-in pantry. And then this community is a electric community. So you have your range here. Obviously that'd be pushed back a little bit more. Got your microwave, and then your dishwasher in the island with your nice big single bowl undermount sink there. And then over here would be a little dining area, breakfast nook. Nice big open living room. And then over here, this could be a flex room. It could be a formal dining room. You know, whatever you want it to be. But nice additional space there. And then back in the corner here is going to be your master suite. So you got the 2 windows there. The ceilings for my liking are a little low. They're probably 8, 9 foot maybe. It just compared to the rest of the home. All right, coming into the bathroom, you have your dual vanity. Same color quartz throughout. And then over here is going to be your toilet. Shower here. And then the walk-in closet over here. So decent sized closet. All right, let's go outside and take a look at the back. There is not a lanai with this floor plan. You have a little overhang here, which if you're watching my videos, you know I'm not a fan of, but and then here's the backyard. It comes back to here. And then this is what the back of this one looks like. So that's gonna do it for this. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.